Hindi mo naman siguro kami tinatakot, Atty. Kapunan.
Ay, hindi po. I am
Kindly proceed, counsel.
Defense Exhibit 1-115 OVP and series, Your Honor. We have been told that counsel will not stipulate to this, Your Honor.
That is correct, Your Honor.
May we know the reason, Your Honor?
Your Honor, we do not stipulate on this because these documents that they marked are incomplete. Hence, they will not truthfully reflect, Your Honor, what the document is. So we do not stipulate, Your Honor.
Actually, to abbreviate the proceedings, counsel, no reason need be given by opposing counsel. Since stipulation is a voluntary act on their part, they may refuse, and any refusal should not be taken against them as well, although it will abbreviate the proceedings. Please proceed, counsel.
Next, Your Honor, is Protective Intelligence Operations Report for the engagements of Respondent Duterte from the Vice Presidential Security Protection Group for the second quarter of 2023, Exhibits P-1-12-M to P-12-M-13, which is Defense Exhibit 115 OVP and series, again, not stipulated upon by the defense, Your Honor.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Move on, counsel. Duly noted. Move on.
Moving on to the third quarter, incidentally, these documents previously mentioned are for the first and second quarter of 2023 Office of the Vice President. We now turn on to the third quarter of 2023 Office of the Vice President. The first exhibit is Audit Observation Memorandum, or AOM, dated August 8, 2024. Prosecution's Exhibit P-1-12-I, Defense Exhibit 1-106, OVP, stipulated upon.
We stipulate, Your Honor.
Noted.
Exhibit P-1-12-J, which is the Office of the Vice President's response dated August 27, 2024. Defense Exhibit 116, OVP and series, not stipulated, Your Honor.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Exhibits P-1-8-1899 up to P-1-8-2672. Acknowledgement receipts for the period July 14 to September 30, 2023 for the third quarter. Not stipulated upon, Your Honor.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Noted.
P-1-12-K, a certification dated September 30, 2023. Defense Exhibit 1-116 OVP and series, not stipulated upon.
Counsel?
Sorry. I think...
Certification dated September 30, 2023.
that is stipulated, Your Honor. Not stipulated.
I'm sorry?
It
Not
is both
stipulated, Your Honor.
Not stipulated.
It is not stipulated, counsel.
Yes, not stipulated.
Not stipulated.
Exhibits, thank you. Exhibit P-1-12-11 up to P-1-12-110. Protective Intelligence Operations Report. Third quarter of 2023, which is an attachment to the OVP's response dated August 27, 2024, not stipulated upon.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Notice of disallowance.
Before you continue, counsel, I remember, Attorney Christine, that you had 8 of these proposed documents for stipulation you will not stipulate on.
Actually, Your Honor,
Or more.
it's 10.
10.
Yes.
With the permission of Attorney Kapunan, let's try to abbreviate the proceedings. What are the remaining 2 that you will not stipulate on?
Your Honor, it's Exhibits P-1-17-5 to P-1-17-1229.
These are the acknowledgement receipts
Yes,
for the
Your
period
Honor.
of February 20 to March 30, 2023, and April 20 to June 29, 2023.
Correct, Your Honor.
And the last one?
And the last one is the acknowledgement receipts for the period July 12 to September 30, 2023, Your Honor. Marked as Exhibits P-1-17, 1233 to P-1-17, 1894.
The rest you stipulate on,
Correct, Your Honor.
which I will read for the record. With the permission of Attorney Lorna,
Yes,
counsel
Your
for the
Honor.
panel of prosecutors. Counsel for respondents stipulates on the following documents. Exhibit P-1-13-F, Notice of Disallowance, dated March 31, 2026, also marked as exhibits, the Respondents Exhibit 1-9. Exhibit P-1-21B, Response dated April 17, 2024, marked as Respondents Exhibit 1-90. Exhibit P-I-22A, Certification dated 11 January 2024, issued by Colonel Manaros M. Boransing II, marked as Respondent Exhibit 1-74. Exhibit P-I-1-22B, Certification dated December 30, 2023, issued by Colonel Carlos B. Sangdaan Jr., marked as likewise marked as Respondents Exhibit 1-75. Exhibit P-1-22C, Certification dated December 5, 2023, issued by Colonel Magtanggol C.G. Panopio, also marked as Respondents Exhibit 1-76. Exhibit P-1-22D for the prosecution, and Exhibit 1-84DE for the respondent, a certification issued, undated certification issued by Colonel Adonis Bajau or Bahau. Exhibit P-1-21C, AUM dated August 8, 2024, also marked as Exhibit 1-106 OVP. Exhibit P-1-21D, response dated August 27, 2024, also respondents 1-93DE exhibit. Exhibit P-1-22E, certification dated September 25, 2023, issued by Jaicris Jan P. Mendoza. Also respondents Exhibit 1-97DE. Exhibit P-1-22F, certification dated December 10, issued also by Jaicris Jan Mendoza. Also respondents 1-96-DE. Exhibit P-1-22G, certification dated December 12, 2023, issued by Adonis R. Bajau, also respondents Exhibit 1-94DE. And finally, Exhibit P-1-22H, certification dated July 1, 2024, issued by Darren E. Comia, also respondents Exhibit 1-95-DE. Would that be correct, Attorney Christine?
Yes, Your Honor. We confirm the enumeration, Your Honor.
You may proceed, counsel.
Thank you for that, Mr. Presiding Officer. But for the better understanding of this honorable court, the acknowledgement receipts which counsel for the defense has not agreed to testify on are as follows, Your Honor. For the first quarter, for the Office of the Vice President, that's 519 documents. For the second quarter, 530 documents. For the third quarter of 2023, 774 documents, Your Honor. And if we include the 845 documents identified by Mr. Wamil yesterday, for the fourth quarter of 2022, this court will have to appreciate that counsel for the defense refused to stipulate on, well, it is the right, 2,668 documents, Your Honor. And for the DepEd, Your Honor, for the first quarter of 2023, 561 acknowledgement receipts. For the second quarter, Your Honor, 619 acknowledgement receipts. And for the third quarter, 644 acknowledgement receipts. Or to summarize, 1,824 acknowledgement receipts of the Department of Education Office, which they themselves submitted to the COA ICFAO, or a total for the Office of the Vice President and the DepEd, 4,492 documents contained in 15 boxes, Your Honor.
Hindi mo naman siguro kami tinatakot, Attorney Kapunan.
Ay, hindi po. I am-
Kindly proceed, counsel.
And also, Your Honor, the reason I made manifestation of this is we will not present the 15 boxes. We will present The witness will identify this, but we will be presenting in lieu thereof 3 tabulations. 4. 6. 6 summaries, Your Honor. 6 summaries prepared by this witness for the 4,492 documents, Your Honor, which will be identified in due course of the testimony together with the acknowledgement receipt, Your Honor. With the permission of this honorable court.
As earlier ruled by the court, we will allow the witness to testify from a table and or summaries given the voluminous nature of the documents that she may or will be testifying to. Counsel may proceed with her direct examination. Offer rather first.
Your Honor, please. We likewise request the following stipulations, Your Honor, in addition to these documents, that the witness has taken over the audit of the liquidation documents of the Office of the Vice President for December 21 to 31, 2022, and the first to third quarters of 2023.
Counsel took over from what?
From Mr. Wamil.
From December, meaning he took over.
Has taken over the audit liquidation documents turned over by Mr. Wamil for this period, Your Honor.
Presumably when Mr. Wamil retired?
Yes, Your Honor.
Can you give the date when she took over? Mr. Wamil retired February of 2024, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes, Your Honor. February 12, 2024.
Up to today.
Up to the present, Your Honor, where he now serves in the COA Pasay, Your Honor.
What does counsel for the respondent say?
Your Honor, we cannot stipulate on that because we are not from COA, so we're not privy, Your Honor, to any of the resolutions or memoranda that were issued with respect to the assignment of their employees, Your Honor.
Witness can testify to that later on. Move on for other requested stipulations, counsel, if any.
That the witness is competent to testify as to the documents that they themselves, the Office of the Vice President and the DepEd, submitted by way of liquidation documents to the COA ICFAO.
Can I comment on that, Your Honor?
Yes.
We will
counsel.
not stipulate on that, Your Honor, because they have to establish the competence of that witness to identify the documents.
Move on, counsel.
Your Honor, we will not proceed with the other stipulations because counsel does not seem to be in the mood to stipulate this afternoon, Your Honor.
Your Honor,
It has
please.
no relation with mood, counsel.
Okay, we will now go
The
on.
counsel for the respondent is well within their rights to
Correct, Your Honor.
refuse stipulation because this is purely mutual on the part of both parties. Your time will come too. Please.